My name's Jim Chapman. I'm Vice President of Manufacturing Systems here at Ace Metalcraft. Came on board for one of the main reasons was to help select a new ERP system and to help manage the company's growth. In selecting a new ERP software, we selected a team of people, cross-functional, people that were more the power users, that knew what we wanted to get out of a system. One of the things that we looked at in terms of the software and things that were critical to us was the size of the software and the size of ACE. So you're trying to find a software that's the right size fix. We don't want an SAP that's way too large for a small company, and we don't want a small company's software that is not flexible for our growth. So that mid-range software is ideal for our ACE. The existing software we had was a Sightline version. We had Sightline for many years, but had not upgraded it for 6 or 7 years. So the cost of upgrading to the latest technology was almost the same as any other software if we would have gone out and bought a new one. So that opened it up to brand new softwares. Other softwares you looked at was from E2, JobScope, I think it's one other name, Syspro, and of course the Sightline, the existing version, whether we should upgrade with that. For example, even after we implemented M1, we engineered our whole process from estimating to getting that job to the floor. We did that after we implemented M1, and it changed everything people do in the front end of the shop. M1 allowed that because it is flexible. You can easily add rules-based processes that into the system. If I decide it's this kind of part for this kind of customer, if certain things are always the same because of that, I don't have to think through that. It does that for me because of the rules we put in M1 that are ACE rules, not M1's rules. I would recommend to a lot of people for a few reasons. One, it's customizable to your company. It doesn't drive your business. You use it as a way of a tool to help drive your business forward. It's very easy to go to as you go from revision to revision upgrades, your unique data goes with you. We're going through all that. M1 can scalable to all those processes that we could think could possibly happen to ACE. So for that reason, if you're in fabrication and in a metalworking industry, I think it fits across the board to almost anybody in that industry.